Hi there. Quick guide for Portal 2 Confinement. If you go to start the game, you'll be met with a little error message here that says the game executable is missing. Um, Obviously, that's a bit of an issue, but I went digging around in the discussions, and Code here came up with a nice little Python script. So thank you very much, Code, to fix the entire issue. So the first thing you want to do is just go ahead and go to your folder. So we're in confinement, and then we're going to go into confinement again. And then if we go back to the instructions, you can see Code writes, just create a script called portal2.py in confinement/confinement, which is where we were just now, with this content. And so we are going to copy all of that. And I'm going to use Fastnote. You can use Notepad or whatever you like there. These lines you want to delete at the beginning and at the end, the 3 dashes. And then here you need to replace this with your address. More than likely, this is fine. This is where if you go to the file explorer where you looked, and more than likely yours is exactly where it is in the script. Mine is installed on a completely separate drive, so I have to make sure that okay, confinement portal 2. So we're at confinement portal 2. So I'm going to go ahead and cut that, paste that right there, and save. And again, you want to make sure you're in confinement, and then I already had it saved, so I didn't have to do file save as, but you would want to save it as portal2.py. So that's for Python. And then the additional instructions here are install Python in pip, run pip installer PyInstaller in the terminal, run PyInstaller one file no console portal2.py in the terminal where you created the portal py file. So in my case, I already have those installed. So I'm just going to run the py installer one file no console portal2.py. So that is running, and that will go through, and basically what it's doing is it's creating massive air quotes an exe. So you can see building exe from exe completed successfully. And some people out there, as soon as they hear the letters exe, they get scared, and they think that there's some kind of big nasty virus. This is literally just importing a subprocess. It's running a thing, and it makes a creation flag of creating no window when it starts. So code says to go into dist and then portal 2. So there it is. And you can see it's got the little icon, not like normal portal, because normal portal 2 has that icon. And you want to make sure that you copy it to confinement. So we're in confinement, go to confinement. And we're going to paste it right there. And then go back to your library and hit play. Okay, I'm glad it launched because I actually haven't launched this yet. I was kind of doing this on the fly. And you will want to click allow because this is technically a new app, at least for me, because this is a fresh install. But yeah, so you can do split screen, co-op, etc. Because Confinement is a co-op only game, but now you can play it. So once again, this has been Roshi. Quick little guide. Again, huge thanks to Code. You are amazing. Thanks and have a good day.